let's have a look at very interesting thing in the JavaScript. So let me tell you, null means empty slots, right? Undefined means missing properties. So if you see at the first case, only value comparison happens. We call it loose equality or abstract comparison, right? So if you see, the values are different, right? Type coercion doesn't happen in the first case. That's why it is giving false, right? Yeah. In the second case, if you see, the types are different. It is a number, it is a null. Null itself is a primitive data type, right? In the third case, types are also different. So if you see the first three cases, they are false, right? But the last one is a true. Can you tell me why it is true? Let me tell you, it is an exception in the JavaScript programming. Let me tell you why. Here, loose equality or abstract comparison. Here only the value comparison happens. If you see, the values are different, even the types are also different, but it is true. This is an exception in the JavaScript programming. The designers of the language kept it as a static condition. Whenever it matches with the null, when there is a loose equality, it always returns true. That is an exception in the JavaScript. This is because null means empty slots, undefined means a missing property. Ultimately, both are absence of the value, right? That's why they kept it as a shortcut. That's why it is true.